Splitting audio in OBS does not need a plug-in, and we'll show you how to do that. Little disclaimer here with regards to the plug-in. If you're going to be like trying to split audio from like your browser or Spotify or something like that, there is a plugin that you need for that to grab the executable, and we'll get into that here in just a second. But to actually split audio in OBS is really, really simple. So let's show you how to do this really quick. So you open up OBS, and you go into Settings. You're going to go down to Output Mode, go to Advanced, and you're going to go over to your recording. If you go down here to Audio Tracks, you'll see 6 audio tracks. Right now, it's just 1 audio track. If you check mark all of these, you get all 6 audio tracks, depending on how many audio tracks you want to split. Like if you have your mic, your game, your music, you need 3, right? You would need 3, so we'll go 1, 2, and 3, and then 6 for your collective sound. This also depends on whether or not you are running OBS on your gaming PC or your streaming PC. I'm one of those weird people that route everything from my gaming PC over to my streaming. I don't do anything on OBS on my gaming PC. All I do is send the audio and the video feed, and then everything else is on my streaming PC. So anyway, so we've got 40 audio tracks. We're going to do 1 audio track for your browser, game, whatever the case may be. Second one is going to be the mic, and then the third one is going to be something like Spotify or whatnot. And then the 6th right here is going to be your everything. Like if you're streaming, that's where everything will go. If you go back to streaming right here, you'll notice that the audio track right here, your streaming settings for your audio track, this is where everything will go out to whatever streaming service or video service you're using. We're going to set this to 6 because we've got 1, 2, and 3 already set for something. Twitch does something weird, and OBS has integrated it, that allows you to take music outside of the VOD track. Like if you had Spotify on track 3, you could actually turn this on and say like the VOD track is 2, and you could make it so where your Spotify isn't going to that track, but we're not going to talk about that one right now. So, okay, go ahead and click Apply. And now you have your tracks, right? So after you get your voice tracks or whatever tracks set, you need to go into your actual audio device, right here, and you need to set the tracks. So if you have like a microphone running right here, you need to click on these 3 dots, go into Advanced Audio Properties, and you'll find your microphone, your output device, whatever the case may be, and then your tracks right here. You can set it to whatever track you want. We have ours set to 6 for our broadcast, and then the microphone is set to 2. So let me go over to my streaming PC, and we'll show you how this is going to look. First, we're going to go into YouTube, and we're going to start up one of their free musics. So give me just 1 second. Okay, now that we're at YouTube's audio library, I'm gonna pick one of these. I'm gonna do my voice, and then I'm going to do one with Spotify, and all 3 of those I'm gonna put them all together so where you can hear them. So that and then we'll open up Premiere after that, or whatever video editing program you use, and I'll show you that all of them are split. Then I'm going to start one of these. Let's click this one. Now I'm going to start playing, and then I'm going to start Ambient Gold from Stream Beats, and then my voice, and then all 3 of these are playing at the same time. And now we're going to flip over to Premiere Pro, and I'll show you that they are actually split. So give me just 1 second, a little magic, and we'll be at Premiere. Okay, so now we're in Premiere Pro, right? After we did all that mixing of the audio with the Stream Beats, and then the YouTube audio library, and then my voice, right? So for that one, you need to come in here, and we're going to pull it over. Drop it. And you'll see all these tracks right here. There's 6 tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 4 and 5 we can get rid of because we weren't using it anyway. Pull this one up. I'm just making it a little bit easier to see. So if you play it, this 6th one right here, we can go ahead and mute this one because that one's the one that had everything. We don't need to hear that one. Go ahead and hit play up here. Then I'm going to start one of these. Let's click this one. That one will start playing. And then I'm going to start Ambient Gold from Stream Beats. Right? We go right here. We mute these two. Go ahead and hit stop. And we'll mute that one. And we'll just go to my voice. We're going to start Ambient Gold from Stream Beats. And we'll mute that one. And then we'll go to just the YouTube one. And then we'll mute that one. And then we'll go to everything. This should have everything. Okay, easy enough, right? Okay, so this is the one that it is. It's Win Capture Audio. Allows you to capture any executable on Windows. Obviously, it's only for Windows right now. If you go to the compatibility plugins, it's being worked on for other operating systems at the moment, but right now it's just for Windows. Just go ahead and click on, go to Downloads. Go down here to Win Capture Audio, the setup. Click it. Yes, let it install. Agree to it. Next. Install. We're going to have OBS running, so next, let it install, and then finish. When you open OBS back up, you won't really see anything in here. You won't even know it's there, really. Until you go to Add, and then you've got Application Audio Output. And we're going to make this one Spotify, right? And then you'll come up with a screen. It says Capture Audio Sessions from a selection of executables. We're going to go ahead and start Spotify up here. Let it play. So it will show. And then down here at the session, your executable will show up. And just go and click on that. You want to check this box. It's capture all audio except sessions from the selected executables. Click OK. And now your Spotify is working. See? And that was it. That's how you split tracks. If you guys have any questions, as always in the comment sections, do all that YouTube stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.